Welcome to Food Treasure. Today we are going to make sweet and sour pork, probably the most popular dish around the world. We got some red diced onion, ketchup, sweet chili sauce, soy sauce, thinly sliced pork meat, mixed capsicum, pineapple dice, and coriander. First we're going to heat up some oil for the deep fry. And on the mixing bowl I'm going to put the pork, crack one egg, some corn flour, you can get it from any supermarket, and a bit of water and some salt. Basically we're making a batter, so we're going to make sure the batter shouldn't be very thick or very thin. So the batter look a bit thin, that's why I'm adding some corn flour. The batter should look something like that. I'm placing the meat into the oil. So when oil is like around 180, 75 to 80, so the oil is ready to deep fry. So we're gonna cook until it's golden brown and set aside. On the top of the paper, you can use a newspaper or any paper to soak the oil, so it shouldn't look very oily. So on the same oil I'm cooking the capsicum and red onion. I'm just blanching it, I'm not cooking fully, so it should still crunchy. So I'm going to set aside, same like the pork. On the top of the paper, soak some oil. I'm just going to give you the close look of the vegetables. So it should look something like that. On a non-sticky pan I'm going to heat some oil. I'm going to start with the pineapple. And that pork. The vegetables. So everything is cooked already. So all we're gonna do is mixing with the sauce. So on the sauce we got the soy sauce, ketchup, and sweet chili. So I'm going to mix it thoroughly. Once it mixes, I'm going to put a little bit of corn flour, about 2-3 tablespoons, and a little bit of water. As you know, the corn flour is a thickening agent, so I'm gonna make gravy out of it. So I'm going to pour it into the pan. So once it start boiling a little bit, so it will turn into thick sauce. So once it's thick enough, it's ready to serve. Today I'm going to serve with the rice. That's why I'm making a little bit of sauce here. A bit more of the mix. Bit of salt. You got the beautiful sweet and sour pork is ready to serve. Look at the colorful, beautiful sweet and sour pork. You can easily make it home. Got some rice, a little bit of pork, sweet and sour pork I mean. I'm going to garnish with coriander leaves and some shallots. Sprinkle a little bit of sesame seeds to just to enhance the flavor and give some color. There you go, sweet and sour pork with rice. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you very much.